Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this beautiful glittery eye perfect for the holidays. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So starting off with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm gonna be taking this to prime my eyelids. This is the best way for me to prime my lids. It's full coverage concealer, and also I let it stay wet. I don't set it just because it makes the pigmentation look way better. Alright, so now starting off with Pukey and Powder, mixing these two shades together from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my crease, making sure I stamp it before I blend it out. I'm just going to be blending it out slightly, not that much, because we are going to be taking our transition color to blend that out even more. Alright, so now for my transition color, I'm going to be taking the shade Creamsicle and just blending out everything to make it look more seamlessly. So now back with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease. This is really nothing special. You guys have seen me do it a bunch of times, so yeah. Oh, but this time it's gonna be more like rounded instead of just a half cut crease. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking the shade Queen, and I'm gonna be applying that all over my lid where I cut my crease. I just want to make sure I have a really gold tone type of effect, because this is like a gold glitter, and I just want it to be extremely gold, like gold as fuck, so that's what we're doing. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking my NYX liquid liner, and I'm just going to be doing a wing with it. I am going to do the wing before I apply the glitter, just because it makes it way more easier than applying it after. Now I'm just taking my glitter glue and I'm applying that on top of my eyeshadow, just so I can have a sticky base before I apply the glue. Now I'm just applying my glitter. This is a mixture of glitters that I have, all gold tones type of glitter. I do mix my glitters a lot, so I will have them all linked down below. Now I'm just applying some chunky glitter with duo lash glue. I feel like it's better like this because the chunky glitter is like thicker, so it tends to fall off with the glitter glue, so that's why I feel like the duo glue is super duper better for these type of glitters. Sorry about my baby, if you hear him, he's just something else. But anyways, I'm just repeating the same process I did with my other eye on this one. Alright, so now I'm just going back in with Pukey and Powder and applying that on my lower lash line. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking N Light and B, mixing these two together, and just putting it in my inner corner, and I'm gonna be putting it on my brow bone as well. Now I'm just blending out right there the little harsh line that was left. I never like it looking so harsh there, so that's why. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and recreate this look, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.